In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move layers between frames in Figma. By the end, you'll be able to reorganize your designs quickly and keep your files clean and easy to navigate. Let's start with the most intuitive approach, dragging and dropping. Open the Layers panel on the left so you can see your document's structure. Find the layer you want to move, then click and drag it from its current frame. Drop it onto the target frame in the panel, and you'll see the layer nest under that frame in the hierarchy. This view is great because it shows exactly where the layer will live, which helps avoid accidental placements. You can also do the same directly on the canvas. Select the layer you want to move, then drag it over the frame you want to place it in. When the frame highlights, release the mouse, and the layer will drop into that frame. If the frame doesn't highlight easily, don't rush. Drag slowly so Figma can detect the target. And if it still feels finicky, switch back to the Layers panel for more precision. When frames are small or nested, getting a layer into the right spot can be tricky. For better control, start dragging the layer, then hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows. This enables a deep select behavior and helps you place the layer into the exact nested frame you're aiming for. It's especially helpful when frames sit close together or overlap. If dragging isn't cooperating, copy and paste is a reliable alternative. Select the layer, press Command or Ctrl+C to copy, or Command or Ctrl+X to cut. Next, click to select the target frame and paste with Command or Ctrl+V. The layer will be added inside that frame, maintaining the frame as its new parent. A quick mindset tip. Think of frames as containers. When you move a layer into a frame, that frame becomes the parent, controlling positioning and hierarchy. For complex designs, the Layers panel is your best friend because it clearly shows where your layer will land. And if dragging feels sticky, make sure both the object and the frame are visible on the canvas. Being zoomed out too far can make targeting harder, so zoom in when you need precision. That's all you need to move layers between frames confidently. Use drag and drop for speed, the keyboard-assisted drag for precision, or copy and paste when you want a guaranteed placement. With a little practice, your files will stay organized and efficient.